Here at Drama Kids, we use drama to help teach children public speaking skills and help them build confidence. And we really believe that the activities that we are teaching them in our lessons are going to help them be successful no matter what career path they choose in life.
I am Robin Glenn. I am Bryce's mom. His diction has drastically improved.
I certainly express myself more. I'm not sure my personality changed, but I certainly have doubled in confidence.
Like everybody gets a part and that they're all very inclusive.
My favorite part about being a drama kid is probably how fun it is to learn everything.
I feel like everyone's so kind and it's really easy to make friends.
What I've loved about working with drama kids is the kids. They surprise me every day.
So often we will have parents talk to us and tell us that they're not sure that their child is ready for a drama class because they've never had any experience with this sort of thing before. But what's really unique about Drama Kids is that we are here for any child. It's really neat to see how our program can take a child that has been involved in drama for their entire lives and a child that's never been in drama before, and how they are able to work together.
Hi, my name is Keely. I am Zoe's mother, and Zoe has been in Drama Kids for going on 4 years now. Something that I found right away that I discovered with Drama Kids was the sense of family, the close-knit family that we are.
My favorite thing about Drama Kids is that we're like a family, and I've just made like so many friends here, and I've gained a lot of like confidence on stage and like talking to people.
I'm Dave. I have 2 children with Drama Kids. I have Eli, who is in 7th grade, and Madeline, who is in 6th grade. And I think they were both open to trying something new, and they've loved it.
What really sets our Performance Academy apart is that so often when children enroll in a theatrical production, it starts off right away with auditions, kids get plugged into their parts, and they spend their entire time rehearsing on a show. And very often children are sitting around waiting for their turn to get on stage, and they spend a lot of downtime. But with Drama Kids, we really take time to ensure that every child is actively participating in every rehearsal that we have. And in order to do so, we have multiple people on staff to make sure that every child is engaged.
What I like about Drama Kids is how professional everything is and how everything matters, and yeah, professionalism.
Drama Kids is really invested in each individual student. It's not just the production on a whole, it's looking at how each individual student can bring something unique to the performance.
Our program goes so much further than the stage. Drama Kids plants the seeds of teamwork, communication, and self-confidence so our children can do their best on the stage and be the best versions of themselves when the curtains close.
I think what you guys do is boost confidence in kids. You definitely boosted my confidence.
We're really, really happy that we found Drama Kids.
The skills I've learned in Drama Kids have very much helped me in the real world. I've made friends.
I feel like I've gained a lot more self-confidence. Like before I was really shy, but now I feel like I'm a lot more confident in myself and I can do bigger and better things now.
Our students take the skills they learn with us and truly make the world their stage.